Welcome to Mercedes-Benz at the 2020 CES.
The technology is, of course, the substance and the core of a future vehicle like this. But the beauty, the aesthetics, is just as important.
The Avatar film is focused on the ideas of sustainability and our connection to nature as human beings and how we have to defend that.
I'm a finance guy by training, actually. So I know that resources are always limited, including those of our planet. To preserve nature, many things need to change. And we are determined at Mercedes to take responsibility.
The more we learned about what each other were trying to do, the more it seemed like a natural fit.
It's all about authenticity.
Yeah.
The team that Jim has on Lightstorm has been about pushing technology, not taking no for an answer. Look at that next frontier and create an experience that is second to none. And of course, that's the core of our purpose principles, an inner unrest for what's next, our founding fathers.
I love that. I love the inner unrest idea.
Mercedes-Benz has always been a technology and a luxury brand, and it is time to bring luxury and sustainability even closer together. Are you ready?
For us as designers, it's a dream come true, doing a car that is actually inspired by a sci-fi or fantasy movie like Avatar. We created something that is super in harmony with nature and actually a thing that merges car and driver into almost a living organism. With this element, actually you feel it going up and down like a heartbeat, like a breathing. So actually that thing comes alive and then it wakes up the entire car. And so we're actually merging a physical drive with a virtual experience, bringing you onto the world of Pandora, but also showing the beauty of our planet Earth.
My main thing in life right now is sustainability, and I mean true sustainability. How are we going to do this? What's our future going to look like? And so I think tonight is all about the future. I salute you and your company for the commitment that you've made to that aspirational future. To me, when I look at this car here, I see a beautiful car, and I love cars. And I see so many amazing, innovative things. But I also see the physical manifestation of a philosophy, and that inspires me.
We believe that aiming high and thinking ahead is paramount in this process, in this transformation we're in. We believe that inspiration and fascination are the most powerful drivers for change and progress. Our way is sustainable modern luxury. Our tools are technology and innovation.